Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY. Today we are working on my speed head that broke on my Echo trimmer. Stay tuned, it's a quick fix. I'm going to show you what I did. All right, you guys, as you can see, I've got one of these Echo SRM modeled trimmers, and it's a fabulous machine, but it's one of those where it has the speed head, and every time you tap it, you know, it advances the line, and then you just do the refill. Okay, so let me show you what happened. So as I was trimming, basically this little spring popped straight through the middle. Now this is the part where you tap on the ground to get the line to, you know, come out. And this thing just all of a sudden flew out, and so I'm left with a trimmer now that I can't get the line to stay in, and this spring is what is used to advance the line. So once that came out and broke, what to do? So this is a very simple fix. All right, so there's a couple ways that you can fix this. If you just do a search, you'll see that they sell just the actual head itself. It'll come with the entire assembly. Well, I don't need the whole thing. So if you're familiar with this, you know, you just pull the tabs just like that. You push the tabs and this whole cap comes off. So once I get this cap off, you can see that there's absolutely nothing wrong with the upper part of this housing. So if you're doing a search, sometimes you'll see the entire thing being sold. So this whole thing that you'd have to take off the whole thing. Well, I don't need that. So I found on Amazon, and I'm going to leave a link in the description, just the cap itself. So the way it comes, let's open this up, and it's just the new speed feed cap. So this used to look like this, but after you tap so much, it just wears down until it becomes this. And so they send the new one. That's the old one. You can see what it does after it wears down. This is the new one, and it comes with a new spring, and then it comes with a little cap. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So you just take the little plastic cap, you stick it into the spring, and then you put the spring into the center, just like that, and now it's ready to go on. So this whole thing is all you need to get your trimmer back up and running. Now, if you did have a problem, if this thing broke, you'll see it, they're all over the place, that you just replace the whole thing. The string is back in there now. It's ready to go. We'll just turn it on, give it a quick little test and make sure it works. Okay, so that is a really quick, inexpensive way to get your trimmer back up and running. No need to buy the whole head, you just need to get the cap. Look for the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got all kinds of DIY tricks. If there's something that you want me to tackle, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.